nga mga kapatid, special, super special ang ating on-the-go katokbahay ngayong umaga dahil si Maui, ang aming pong bunso dito sa Good Morning Kapatid ay kukumustahin sa kanyang tahanan ang nag-iisang Lumpia Queen, the ever-gorgeous Abby Marquez. Mau, ang aga mo naman dyan sa South, sa Laguna. Good morning sa inyo ni Abby.
Good morning, Mama Dims! At good morning po sa ating mga kapatid. At tulad nga ng sinabi mo, napaka-espesyal ng ating episode for this morning. It is a Friday morning and ito na yung the best na may isip kung pwede natin gawin on a beautiful Friday morning. Mama Dims, kilala natin to. Pupuntahan natin ang nag-iisang Lumpia Queen na si Miss Abby Marquez. Kaya ito na, for Katok Bahay, dito na kakatok. Tingnan natin. Uy! Wow! Mga kapatid, Miss Abby Marquez! Good morning, Miss Abby!
Good morning po!
Wow! Talagang dinayo ka namin dito sa Laguna.
Thank you
I
po.
am so excited. Hindi kami nakatulog sa sobrang excited namin.
Ako
Miss
rin po.
Abby, kamusta ang iyong umaga so far?
Ako rin po, wala pang tulog.
Ay, okay lang yan.
Kahit
Team
ako-
no tulog.
Yes.
Okay, oh my gosh, ito na, nandito na tayo sa place ni Miss Abby, mga kapatid. Mag-hi tayo kay Mama Dims din.
Hello, Mama Dimps!
Mama Dims, may sasabihin si Abby sa'yo.
Ito na po, magpapahinga na po. After this, matutulog ako after this.
Ang cute! Okay, let's go inside this, Abby.
Let's go! Samahan
Okay.
mo ako. Meron kaming masarap na ginagawa dito
Oy.
sa kusina.
Perfect
Ayan.
na aamoy ko na. Okay. Ayan, nakita nyo na mga kapatid. I'm sure familiar to sa inyong lahat. Ito na yung kanyang famous setup na nakikita natin sa kanyang mga TikTok, vlogs, videos. Ito pala yun.
Welcome!
Oo, para akong, I mean, other than Miss Abby, para akong nakita ng artista na set. Alam mo yan? Kasi,
Actually,
di ba, alam mo yan, parang,
yeah.
di ko alam kung kanino
Ito.
ako mas sa starstruck eh,
Yeah.
kung sa'yo or sa set
This
nyo.
is very iconic.
Famous,
Yes.
iconic.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Abby, I'm so excited. Unang tanong, usually kasi tinatanong namin is, anong oras ba usually kayo gumigising sa umaga on a regular day pag walang trabaho?
1 p.m.
Ay, wow!
Ang
1
record
PM.
ko ay 5 p.m.
Okay.
Wala talaga sa oras yung body clock ko.
Oh, and that is why, ngayon pala magti-thank you na kami, Miss Abby, kasi alam, yun nga, na-mention mo, usually late lang gumigising, pero
Yeah.
for us, gumising ka ng
Of
extra
course!
early.
Morning
At nakakatuwa,
person
kasi last time, ikaw yung pumunta sa amin sa studio, ngayon naman, kami naman ang pupunta sa'yo.
Yeah.
Sa studio mo naman.
Yes.
This is her studio.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Abby, I wanna talk about, a little about your background. Although, I'm sure familiar po sa ating mga kapatid kasi sino si Miss Abby Marquez ang nag-iisang lumpia queen. Pero I'm curious, paano ka nagsimula sa journey mo?
So, nag-start ako mag-content creation. I was still in college. So, I'm really super passionate about cooking and making videos. And during that time, pandemic, I was at home online class. I really was spending more time in the kitchen. Noon, parents' home ko pa, parents' kitchen pa. And then, talagang the first video that I posted with my voiceover, nag-viral siya agad. And inulit-ulit ko lang yung format na ginawa ko noong umpisa. But really, what was a turning point for me was this lumpia series where I experimented wrapping different kinds of foods with lumpia wrapper. And yun yung tumatak sa mga tao, kaya tinawag nila akong lumpia queen.
Kumbaga
Yes.
dun ka talaga pumatok. Okay, that's so interesting, no? Kasi kanina rin off cam, mga kapatid, ang dami namin napag-usapan ni Miss Abby na ako mismo na-inspire excuse me, sa yung journey. And talagang marami pa tayo pag-uusapan mamaya. Kasi mamaya meron din tayong gagawing activity.
Yes!
No? Na, like, kumbaga, first-hand experience, matatry nating mag-wrap ng famous lumpia ni Miss Abby.
Yes.
I am so excited. Okay, quick question lang also, Miss Abby, before we go back to the studio. Meron ka na bang daw naging luto na hindi masyadong nabetan ng family?
In the beginning of my journey as a cook, yung hinahanap ko pa yung timpla ko, tsaka follow lang ako ng recipes on the internet. Yun, marami akong failure doon. Pero doon ko natutunan na ito pala yung dapat lasa ng mga bagay. Hindi dapat siya matamis, hindi dapat, hindi siya pag the more it is, the better. It's balance. So that's what I had to learn. Recently, yung hindi masarap na nailuto ko in one of my test kitchens is making this chicken ramen soup na apparently made with blended, melted, and cooked down chicken feet. Hindi siya
Hindi
masaya.
sumakses. Hindi sumakses. Pero malay mo, as you go, pwede pa yung i-improve, di
Yeah,
ba?
definitely.
Okay, alam mo, Miss Abby, ang dami ko pang gustong tanong ngayon. Marami pang nakapila sa utak ko na questions. Pero isi-save natin yan, mga kapatid, para mamaya. At kasabay niyan, mamaya tayo ay magluluto. Okay? I'm so excited. And syempre, pag-uusapan din natin yung mga na-achieve mo. Ang dami mong naging awards, ang dami mong naging ganap. And nag-birthday ka. Belated happy birthday!
Thank you po. Maniwala kayo, 25 lang ako.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Sa Facebook na mukha doon trend.
No to bullying, no, wala. Kasi
Yeah.
alam mo, Miss Ab, sa sobrang dami mong na-achieve, feeling ko nalula sila. Kasi yung mga na-achieve mo, usually pang mga mas older, but at such a young age, you achieve so much na, ayan, iisa-isahin din natin mamaya. Excited na ako, Miss Abby.
That's a very healthy way to look at
Yes,
it.
love it. Okay, mga kapatid, mamaya makasama natin si Miss Abby Marquez pa and gagawa tayo ng mga lumpia. But for now, back to the studio. Maraming salamat, Maui at Abby. Yes, rest is key. Ang sarap naman yan. Penge naman yan. Penge naman ako niyan. Thank you, Abby. Heto pa, isa namang tunay na idol at world class pagdating sa pagluluto. Sigurado ako matatakam tayo dito kasi napakasarap naman talaga magluto ng kasama nitong si Maui. Mau, takamin mo nga kami kasama ang ating idol dyan na si Abby. Abby, morning! Hi, Mama Dems! Hello ulit sa ating mga kapatid! Ayan, nandito pa rin tayo sa Laguna. Kasama pa rin ang nag-iisang si Miss Abby Marquez!
Hello!
Lumpia Queen! Okay, pang world class talaga, Mama Dems. Agree na agree ako dyan. At syempre, talagang we are so honored and lucky for this morning kasi katabi natin siya. At eto na, Miss Abby, eto talaga nag-trend ito nitong huli. Nabalitaan niyo ba to? Yung tinatawag na...
Lumpiang retinol.
Ayun! Lumpia retinol. May nagtag ba sa'yo
Yeah,
doon?
ang daming nag-send sa akin. Sabi nila, paano daw yun gawin? So,
Ayan
today
na nga.
mapakita natin.
Ayun, okay. Exciting. Okay.
Yes.
Eto
So,
na.
ang lumpiang retinol, sinasabi lang nila yun kasi mukhang may skincare yung lumpia.
Oo,
I think
daig pa tayo.
it's all about the wrapper that you use. So,
Ayun.
ito yung mga nabibili sa grocery store na lumpia wrapper. And then, para lang super satisfying siya, yung filling natin ilalagay siya sa isang piping bag.
Wow, ang linis nun. That's so
Yes.
organized. Okay.
And ipapipe mo lang yung filling like so, trying to be very uniform. Yan. You can
Okay.
use your other hand to support. Yan.
Okay.
And then, iro-roll mo lang siya, trying to make it super uniform. Ayan.
Okay. Tapos
Like with
kailangan
light
medyo
hands.
masikip yung pagka-tight yung
Yes.
pagka-roll mo.
Yes, but with
Okay.
light hands like that.
Oh.
And then,
I
we'll
need
seal
more
it
practice.
With what? Mahirap pa siya?
Pag hindi ka sanay,
Okay.
medyo mahirap siya. Then you
Yeah.
put water. So,
Water
hindi
to
necessarily
seal.
kailangan, Miss Abs, ng yung sa itlog ba para mag-seal? Pwede na
Yeah, I
tubig.
think kapag ka hindi na gumagana yung tubig, you can use egg or a paste of flour and water. Ayan,
Ayan na.
Ayan na yung nag-viral.
Oo, ayun. Yung pala yun. Nag-retinol na nag-face mask.
Yes.
Ilang kayang steps ng skincare to, Miss
Oh my
Abby?
gosh. Mas malala pa yung skincare
Pero
niya
may
kaysa sa akin.
pagkakaiba ba po sa lasa, yung ganitong wrapper dun sa isang wrapper?
Wala naman for it to be really noticeable. I think it's really the look.
Okay.
And also culinary, like technically itong lumpia wrapper na to, it has a little more oil, so mas madali siyang balatan and mas maganda lang talaga siya tignan. But really, actually ako big fan ako nung local na bilog
Na wrapper,
lumpia
correct.
wrapper,
Okay,
yeah.
Miss Abby, habang nasa topic pa tayo ng lumpia, kanina nabanggit mo, meron kang parang tips na parang gusto mong ibigay sa ating mga kapatid sa paggagawa ng perfect na lumpia para
Yeah.
sa'yo. Ano yung mga tips na yon?
Ang tip ko dyan is lumpia should always be crispy, and the biggest factor to affect your crispiness is yung temperature ng oil. So I think if you're also trying to level up your cooking at home, really invest on a thermometer or oil thermometer.
Oil thermometer.
Like this. So I always use this.
Okay.
And kapag nag-register yung oil ng 350 to 375 Fahrenheit,
Okay.
yun yung magandang temperature para ma-achieve mo yung ganitong itsura ng lumpia.
Lumpia na ang perfect.
Perfect.
Parang galing sa perfect
Yes.
pamilya.
Oh my
Parang pinalaki
gosh.
ng maayos with
Yes.
feelings. Okay, wait lang, Miss Abby. I'm so excited kasi marami pa akong gustong i-discuss with you. Pero mga kapatid, itry na po natin ang lumpia na naglinis ng Miss Abby Marquez. Okay siya, prefer niya is
Banana
ketchup.
ketchup.
Ako po, chili. So ano ba kayo? Team banana ketchup ba kayo or team sweet chili sauce?
Ketchup for the win.
Ang sarap.
Yeah.
Ako happy na. So, Ang sarap, ang lasa. Tsaka, I think, no, isa sa mga mahirap gawin kasi pag nagluluto ng lumpia is yung luto yung labas, pero yung loob hindi. Bakit? Ba't ganun, Miss Ab?
It's also the right temperature. So, kapag yun nga, yung 350 yun, tried and tested, it's gonna give you a crispy exterior, but the inside is gonna be
Cooked well
cooked
naman.
well,
Ayun, masarap. Okay, ito na, Miss Abby. I'm excited kasi achievements mo. Ito talaga something to be proud of, something to flex talaga no, sa ating mga kapatid. Miss Abs, let's talk about yung 2025 WIBA Awards mo. How was that experience?
Oh.
Ito na, which one is it?
The WIBA Awards is amazing. Kasi may mga video ako from France na nagkukulagtip lang akong gano'n. Kasi I'm really so happy to be there in that space.
Aha.
And really, what an honor. Hindi namin in-expect to. Hindi ko in-expect na may mga tao pala in Europe that watch the content that we make. And my content is Filipino food. So that's
Yes.
really a good... It's a good opportunity for us to also promote Filipino food in that area.
Correct.
So apart from the individual na, oh my gosh, I'm here. What a dream come true. What a privilege. It's also very telling of the mission kung nasa na tayo. Super.
At isa lang po yan, mga kapatid, sa mga na-achieve ni Miss Abby nitong mga just even the past year, ano? Okay, Miss Abby, let's talk about collabs. Of course, the great Chef Gordon Ramsay, nakakolab mo na. How was that experience? Kinabahan ka ba? Kasi medyo kilala siya to be masungit. Medyo, ano, di ba? How was it for you? Did you expect him to be kind of mean or firm?
I expected him to be a very nice, actually. Kasi I really watch his content and I know that off-cam, he's really very gracious to people. And I don't think na hindi ka naman niya sisigawan. Yun yung unang tanong ng mga tao eh. Like, masungit ba siya? Ganun ba siya? Like, sa Hell's Kitchen? Hindi naman. Hindi naman. I guess he's like that kapag ka talagang service in the restaurant. But during that shoot, he's very professional, very nice and very kind. He will make you feel seen. Kasi mukha talaga siyang si Gordon Ramsay.
Pero alam mo kasi, Miss Abs, the Beef Wellington challenge, talagang nahirapan ka doon? Hindi ka nakatulog? Ganong level?
Oo, more on overthinking it. But I think in the first test kitchen, we kind of nailed the flavor already. But yung medyo delikado nung time na yon is really nailing na yung loob ay medium rare beef. And imagine how can you do that with deep frying the lumpia. And you know, lumpia is very, like this one, it's very friendly. Kahit medyo ma-overcook mo siya ng onti, okay lang.
Correct.
But that is nailing the cook. And yun yung i-judge niya is when he cuts it, yung cross-section.
Yun yung ginudge niya.
Yeah, is it pink? Is it the proper way to cook it?
Oo, correct. Okay. Kanina na pag-usapan natin, you have been cooking since you were 4. Ika nga, sabi ko nga kanina, nung sinabi niya po sa akin na 4 years old pa rin siya, nagluluto na siya, sabi ko, wow, kung yung iba, Barbie doll, naglalaro, ikaw nagluluto na. So at this point, Miss Abs, meron ka pa bang dream na gustong makakolab? Kasi ang dami mo na nakakolab, whether it be international or locally, meron pa ba?
Yes. Marami akong idols growing up. The people from Food Network, yung mga chefs also in the Philippines na gusto kong matutunan yung mga regional cuisine nila. And also, very excited and curious what a video would look like if I were to collab with a person from another category, like music.
Oy, wow, kakaiba yun.
Dancing.
That's exciting. Ay, paano mo, dancing while making lumpia? Pwede rin.
Acting.
Ay, baka naman. Pwede daw.
That would be cool.
Okay, Miss Abby, at this point, last question. What is the dream now?
Oh, the dream now. The dream now, nahirapan ako sagutin kasi I'm really just cherishing yung mga recent achievements. But I guess to have the opportunity to keep this going, this is really my dream job. I love what I do.
I love it.
So I hope I can continue on doing it for as long as I can.
Wow, I love that. Kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, when you love what you do, you never work a day in your life.
Yes.
Kasi sobrang gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo ramdam na nagtatrabaho ka. Okay, Miss Abby, before we wrap things up, quickly lang, let's have a little reminder for our kapatids kasi alam ko na victimize ka ng mga deepfake.
Yeah, deepfake and also the people who kind of pretend na sila si Abby Marquez. And it kind of worries me kasi my community or my fans, followers, gusto nila yung interaction with me and sometimes take advantage yun by people who do not have nice intentions and pretend na, oy, may giveaway ako. Bigyan mo ako ng pera, sisendan kita ng gift. Yeah, so always check if it's from a verified account. So I'm verified in all platforms. Make sure the blue stick is there. Ayan, and wag maniwala agad sa mga giveaway prizes or any claims.
Yes, tama. Kasi minsan may kita niyo po mga kapatid, carefully, alam kong magaling na sila gumawa, pero minsan may kita niyo hindi sync yung bibig sa face. So, dapat maging mas ano lang tayo, mabusisi sa ganyan.
Yes.
Ano. Okay, Miss Abby, last, message for your fans. Ayan.
Oh! Message to everyone who supports us. Thank you so much. Thank you for letting me do what I love, and I hope you keep on supporting us. And if you want to keep in touch, see all of this, learn more about Filipino cuisine and lumpia, and very easy to do at-home recipes. I'm on social media, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
Ayan, alam nyo na yan. No need to. At saka, syempre, bagitin lang natin, millions and millions of subscribers. Parang all together, nasa 8 million above ka na. No? Ayan, so perfect talagang. Ito talaga, the person to watch, lalo na when it comes to cooking. Maraming salamat, Miss Abby Marquez!
Thank you so much.
Wait lang pa, hug.
Proud ako sa lumpia mo.
Thank you with the help of Miss Abby.
Yeah.
Mga kapatid, what a beautiful morning. Nakakatuwa, nakasama natin si Miss Abby. Thank you for opening your doors for us ng napakaaga. Sana next time, back to the studio ka na.
Yeah.
Maka-guest ka naman sana sa luto na to ni Mama Dims. Kasi nagluluto na siya ng mga air fryer sa studio.
May air fryer ko dito.
Ayan
ako magamit. Turuan mo ako, Mama Dims.
Mama Dims, punta ka raw dito. Or punta siya sa studio. Thank you, Miss Abby.
Thank you.
Ayan, that is it mga kapatid for this morning's On The Go at Katok Bahay. Back to the studio muna.
Thank you, Abby. Thank you, Maui. Abby, my love, pwede ka nang matulog pagkatapos nito. Pwede ka nang matulog. Ipapauwi natin kay Maui dito yung lumpiang ginawa niya. Abby, again, thank you sa pagpapaulak sa amin dito sa Good Morning Kapatid. We love you and all the best to you.
Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.